Hi, I'm Zoe. You're at Art Stems on Lygon, and today we're going to talk about flower care. To get the most out of your flowers, all you need to do is follow a few really easy steps. So when you get your flowers home, take them out of the packaging straight away, and you want to get them into fresh water as soon as possible. It is really important to recut your flowers before they go into water. You got to think it's like drinking a glass of water with your mouth closed. It's just not going to work. So you recut your stems, take a centimetre off the bottom, straight off the bottom, and then immediately into fresh water. If you happen to find that there's a flower that your cutters can't get through, it is okay for you to cut up the stem. You can actually apply this technique to things like natives, Banksias, leucodendrons, any woodsy stems that you find that you're just not quite able to get through, and you can cut vertically up the stem, snipping the stem in two, effectively doing the same thing as cutting it across anyway. Some flowers do enjoy a little bit of extra TLC to keep them looking at their best. They like to drink through their heads. This includes orchids, violets, and hydrangea. You can either spray them with a mist bottle if you have one, or you can soak their heads underwater for about an hour, recut their stems and pop them back into fresh water. In most cases, we do recommend that you put all of your flowers in a good couple of inches of really fresh water. It is also good to put in a couple of drops of bleach, and that keeps the bacteria at bay. There are a few exceptions though. Tulips, for example, poppies, if you put them in too much water, it can accelerate their aging and turn the stems a little bit mushy. And finally, if you repeat this process every 2 days, recut the stems and change the water so that it stays nice and fresh, you'll get the most out of your flowers.